I think one of the biggest questions that people have, especially new residents in the UAE who've just moved in over the last couple of years, they're on the road, new license, they get into an accident. What do they do next? How do they make sure that they're not paying enormous bills or getting too worried about it?
So if your vehicle is on the road, it's safe to assume that it is insured, right?
Yeah.
Because you've done the basic minimum legal requirement. We start from there. If it's a minor claim, if you're able to amicably kind of figure
Settle.
out that, hey, whose mistake was it, you can just, register your accident through the police app. There you'll get a faulty report or a non-faulty report, which basically says which party was at fault. You'll require some basic information about your driving license and the mulkiya or the registration card of the vehicle and where you were and how that accident happened to describe it. I would say the last one is the major accident, right? That's where your car is not in a movable condition, something's off. In all the insurance policies, you have something called a roadside assistance number. At Policybazaar.ae, we give this number very handy. So whether you are our customer or you are not our customer, you can still go onto our website. You can figure out the name of the insurance company, which one do you have. If you remember that and get the roadside assistance number, call them, message them, they'll send the recovery vehicle on the way to you. In the major claims as well, the police kind of comes at the incident scene and they will evaluate and they will help you figure out. I'd like to add on something on the Policybazaar claims assurance program here. This is where kind of we make a difference to our customers' life. So what we've done is we've created a dedicated claims assurance team which manages your claim. So every time you do have an accident, you do want to file a claim, you just call us, message us, email us. There are different ways to communicate with us and we will then just guide you on the entire process. We will take over that process from you, from registering your claim. All we need is a police report from you and your basic documents if you don't have that, and some minor information. We will register the claim for you. We will ensure your car goes to the garage. We will have the car picked up from the garage to you and close the entire claims process for you.
Amazing.